Let's first define integers. So integers are all positive whole numbers, 0 and their opposites, which are the negative numbers. So when adding integers, we have two cases to consider. The first is if the signs match, which are both positive or both negative, then we will just add the numbers together and then keep the sign. Say for example, we're given -5 plus -3. 5 and 3 here have the same signs, so we just have to add 5 and 3 and keep the negative sign. So that would become -5 plus -3 equals, okay, 5 plus 3 is 8, and then you copy the negative sign. Okay. Another example, what if we're given -7 plus -5? So 7 and 5 here have the same signs, so we just have to add 7 and 5 and keep the negative. So that would become -7 plus -5. So 7 plus 5 is equal to 12, and then you copy the negative sign. So if the signs don't match, one positive and then one negative number, we will subtract the numbers as if they were all positive and then use the sign from the larger number. This means if the larger number is positive, then the answer is positive. If the larger number is negative, then the answer is negative. Say for example, we're given -7 plus 2. So 7 and 2 here have different signs. So we subtract 7 and 2 and use the sign from the bigger number. And in this case, 7 is the larger number. So we copy the negative sign from 7. So that would become -7 plus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. And then copy the sign of 7, which is the larger number. Next example is -4 plus 6. So 4 and 6 here have different signs, so we just have to subtract 6 and 4. And the larger number here is 6, which is positive, so we just use the sign from 6, which is the larger number, and that is positive. So -4 plus 6, we subtract 6 and 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Then the answer is positive 2, because the sign of 6 is positive. Another example, what if we're given 4 plus -3? So 4 and 3 here have different signs, so we just have to subtract 4 and 3 and use the sign from the larger number, which is 4, and that would be positive. So that would become 4 plus -3, which is just equal to 1.